Hello guys, good evening. Well, I'm currently here at Cagayan de Oro City again. Tapos I am here for work purposes. So actually I'm here since Monday. Actually kahapon lang. And today is Tuesday. Yes. So you may be asking if I'm alone. Yes, I'm alone. Actually I left my wife sa Davao City. So yun. I am here alone sa CDO doing my work. Tapos, kasabay is, I'll be vlogging for a bit. But, the thing is, my wife is also going here sa CDO around Thursday maybe, because we are going to spend our time somewhere, and we would like to visit back the El Salvador, the Divine Mercy Church, and I believe we made a post about it last time. So, guys, you may be asking how I am spending time alone or what do I do kung ako lang isa dito sa CDO. So as you can see, I am here at Rich Manor Pension House. So my favorite hotel to stay. Actually, it's a pension house to stay because it's clean. Ako lang actually ang nagapahugaw sa room. So now, being alone is actually nakasanayan na, and it's not really hard to adjust. So, yun nga lang, medyo I'm missing my wife, I'm missing Tot because medyo walang makulit sa buhay ko. And anyway, I just want to show you kung how do I spend time pag ako lang isa dito sa CDO. And then still, this is a Tot's Adventure vlog, and I hope you'll enjoy because I know there is someone also who is also like me who travel for work, who works who travels with his work, and of course spending time alone. So guys, for those who are working individual na naga-travel due to work, siguro makarelate sa amo. So as you can see, pag walang asawa, gubot. Imo pa yung kwarto pa yung imo. So here, actually I'm just enjoying my Facebook, doing my Facebook. Pag wala akong magawa, I'm just doing my Facebook. And sometimes reading my emails. Actually, as you can see, daghan kayo siyang email, no? But actually, I'm transferring my email kasi muna daghan kayo. Pero ginabasa ako kung email, ha? Dili na siya mga wala gipang basa na email. Tapos, of course, looking for some movie online to watch. Para at least hindi masyadong boring. Here. At I don't know, 1 to 3 movie that I yes. Tapos, of course, as you can see, gubot kayo. Tapos, yes, you're right. You are very, very right. This is a suman. My favorite malagkit suman. And then, my favorite, I don't know what it's called. But my favorite pastillas, tama. It's new. Actually, gusto na ko siya matry karon. So, ayun. And Goya. So, I'm going to watch a movie now. Yes. And this is how I spend my time alone without thought. And hopefully, this will be enlightened pag abot niya. Guys, maybe you're asking how do we get money to spend for our travels. Actually, for our travels, yes, we do not have, like I mentioned on my previous vlog, na we do not have a very good paying job, but at least it's a better paying job. But the thing is, we do not just rely kung unsa man na siya or unsa man ginakita sa vlog sa mong job. Actually, vlog so far as of now, it's not earning yet. But I have an alternative YouTube channel where I post some videos na just something viral na videos. What I mean is, yes, I want to show you my video, my other channel. It's called A Viral Story. So at least here in A Viral Story, I already have 1,409 subscribers. Yes, and I'm not sure if you can see it. 1,409 subscribers. Woohoo! It's not a lot, but I know it's something. It's something, you know. Actually, with this channel, it really helps a lot. It doesn't give us a lot of cash, but it really helps a lot, especially just yes, it gives us cash, but it's not so much. Tama lang na makasupport, just right na makasupport. So yun, aside from that is the Tots Adventure vlog. But the Tots Adventure vlog doesn't have a lot of subscribers. Here it is. Actually, we stopped posting, so subscribers did not subscribe. Tama ba? Subscribers did not subscribe. So I hope you guys. Actually, as of now, we have 12 subscribers, and we are still hoping to get more subscribers. And I know we don't have a very good vlog like other, but I hope guys you would support us in our vlog. It's a simple thing na request na mo. Please like, subscribe, or follow us in Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, of course. And we would be very thankful sa inyo. And guys, for those 12 subscribers na thank you so much sa inyo, ha, because we really appreciate it. And I believe mga amigo lang na namo. Anyway guys, yun, actually that's how I spend. Actually, this is how I spend my time alone, and saying yun nga, watching movie, medyo boring, but actually it's kind of enjoying para sa ako. I love being alone, but yun nga, I think my wife's going to be angry. My wife's going to be angry if she knew na I love being alone. But anyway, I'm happy being married. I'm so happy being married, and I really love my wife, of course. So yun. So that's how I spend my time alone, and this is I already told you kung how do we earn, or where do we get our fun from our small travels. And yes, it came from our salary, of course. Then it came another from our alternative YouTube channel na trip lang na ako nga gibuhat, but actually it earned. And another is we are hoping in the future that we would be like a professional vlogger, professional travel vlogger, in which is we don't have to work na, and just be a professional vlogger, because we would really love to explore everything in this planet, everything God gave us. So yun. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Tomorrow, or I mean on Thursday, come with me. I'm going to fetch Tot, because we are going to explore CDO a bit again. A bit of CDO again, I mean. So, thank you so much. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, tapos follow us on Instagram, and of course, please subscribe in our YouTube channel. I know, I will do our best to give you the best vlog na simple lang, pero may dating. Mga Bisaya, diba? Mga Bisaya. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye!